All right, good morning. It's June 23rd. We're just a couple minutes into the open here, but wanted to pick back up here with the morning videos. So we're going to walk through a couple of things, and really the point of these is to talk about it's a little bit difficult to talk about the entire day and what we're looking for the entire day, although sometimes things do take that long to play out, or that is how we are able to show you throughout. Basically it's, let's say, predictable enough that we can show the entire day and talk about the entire day. But really the point is, can we look at what's happening here for the morning? So let's go take a look at that. So first things first, I just put in our map, which is where I basically in real time updating what I'm telling you here. And so 43.75, that needs to get taken out. They got to 43.50 here on this first push. They're going to have to take out 43.75. And as it comes back there, it's getting closer and closer to this 43. So this area is going to be something that they'll need to take out here eventually here today if they are going to go higher. So let's just talk about a couple of things. If the market's really strong, I just am pointing out a couple of things that are here. If the market's really strong, you see this area right here. I'd say probably right there. Now they did kind of go up through here and come right back down into here, so we could see, this could be enough already. Basically, this could have already taken up whatever demand was here. I'm not sure if there is any demand left in there, but I just wanted to sort of highlight that area. So overall, if you see what happened overnight here, this is really just an area that I had drawn in yesterday from 46.50 up to 48.25. This I believe came off of a 10-minute. So this one here is off of a 4-hour. It's the 4-hour supply area. It's 46.50 to 52.25. And you can see there's no prediction points here between 43 all the way up to 60, which would be a new all-time high in this contract. So they did come up here first time, touched it to the tick. Second time came up into this area just a little bit more. I'd expect that if they come back up in here, we're going to go at least to this 49.50 area, even deeper into here. And then maybe some pullback, but still, we still have this as well that we kind of need to get through. This isn't, I would say, probably not super, super great supply area. In other words, I'm not sure I'm really even looking, I'm not sure that I'm looking to short that. I'm just looking at the chart right now. I believe where that came from. Yeah, so you have to go all the way down to a 10-minute chart, I think, to get that. And so it's not a super, yeah, it's off of a 10-minute, that 54.25 up there. And then there is, I guess we should, we should mark this one as well. Okay. So that's just something, those are things to keep an eye on. I'm not sure that I really want to be selling up there, but I do want to be aware of what is up there. But you can see the next prediction point's clear up here at 60. So not at all unlikely that we go see that. So again, here's this. We have let's move this like this. So we have this. I drew in this area. You can see this is what we had, basically this entire area right here. So really there's this 30.25. I'll just bring that up there. So this 30.25 we have, so inside of here then we have this CP at 29.50, and then we have the KP here at 27.5, and ideally we probably don't want to see a whole lot. Yeah, I was just looking at, like, you know, yes, I have this area drawn in here, but I would say this holding within a couple of ticks is really ideal, meaning right here. Could it probe down here a little bit? Probably don't want to take out this swing. That's a point below there. If they do take that out, it would just be back here to this, but you know, this 2250. But better would be if they could come down here to this 1950 and then hold somewhere right in here. So if that means holding off the KP, or if they hold at the top of this or whatever. So we could give this down to 16, but then below 16 starts to open the door up, and we would see back down in here into 1075. And then maybe we get some bouncing, but that would really open the door. At that point, we really couldn't rule out a deeper pullback, and you can see there's plenty of room back here to this like 93 area. So if that does start to break, that 93 area is definitely something we're looking for. But as long as all of that holds, let's say they don't take out 16, then we're fine. Okay. So, and then otherwise, we're looking for, you know, there's these areas up here we've got to get through. And then there's this, so 60 and then 65, 75. Those are something that will be, there's a lot of room up higher if they can start to get some strength. So, okay, so I think that pretty much covers it here. You know, if they do start to kind of break down and we start to see a little bit more selling, look at that 93 area. But you probably don't, again, probably don't want to take out that 42.18 and being really generous, giving it to 42.16. So we'll be back today with a review video. We'll see how things all played out, and we'll talk a little bit about how to handle things going forward with tomorrow. And I will see you all then. Thanks for being here this morning.